Sayujya Yoga.
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 Namaste Friends. We are happy to announce the launch of the Sayujya Yoga Community. Sayujya Yoga Community is an online community where all the yoga enthusiasts and all the yoga practitioners can come together on an online platform. In this community, every month there will be one session which will be exclusively curated. Experts from the different fields of yoga will come and deliver very informative sessions. Not only that, we will try and incorporate as many quizzes as possible, some kind of competitions, some kind of debates and essay writing competitions, etc. etc. So I request you all to please join and be a part of this wonderful community where we will not only learn about yoga but a lot of exchange of information will take place which will help you to grow in your yogic journey.
So friends, as Prutha mentioned that you will be getting curated sessions as well as we will have quizzes and debates, but not only that, we will also give exclusive discounts on our upcoming workshops to our Sayujya Yoga community members. So friends, how to join this community? It is very simple. You can click the below link and get all the details of registration, or you can log on to our website www.sayujyayoga.in, or you can WhatsApp us on the given numbers. So friends, if you want to reach fast, then walk alone. But if you want to reach far, then walk together. Sayujya Yoga community is all about walking together and enjoying this beautiful journey of yoga. So come and join this community. See you soon. Namaste.